Is your business communication a tangled mess of emails, missed deadlines, and endless meetings? Then you need Basecamp, the project management tool designed to bring sanity and structure to your teamwork. And in the next minute and a half, we'll explore exactly how it does that. First, let's talk about communication. Basecamp centralizes all project-related discussions in one place. Think of the campfire feature as your virtual water cooler, perfect for quick questions and informal updates, eliminating endless email chains. For more structured conversations, the message board is your go-to. Post announcements, brainstorm ideas, or gather feedback, keeping everything organized by topic. Next up, organization. Forget sticky notes and scattered spreadsheets. Basecamp lets you create to-do lists, assigning tasks to specific team members with clear deadlines. Within each task, you can attach relevant files, add comments, and track progress, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and nothing falls through the cracks. And with the schedule feature, you can mark key milestones, deadlines, and events, providing a clear roadmap for your project. This gives everyone visibility on upcoming deadlines. Finally, let's talk about accountability. Basecamp's automatic check-ins replace those dreaded status update meetings. Schedule recurring questions for your team to answer, keeping you informed without interrupting their workflow. So, ditch the chaos and embrace clarity. Basecamp can help your business improve communication, boost organization, and enhance accountability, leading to more efficient teamwork and successful projects. Subscribe for more business tool tips,